90.1% PFE win rate across 77,850 plus verified calls. Merkle, verified on base L2. Don't trust, verify. That is the track record behind every composite verdict AlgoVault fires, and as of today, the record now draws from 3 of the largest perpetual derivatives venues in the world: Hyperliquid-Binance and Bybit. This video walks you through why that third venue matters, how the confidence ranking architecture works, and exactly what changes and what stays the same for agent developers integrating the cross-venue stack. Start with a simple scenario. Hyperliquid funding at plus 0.012%, Binance at plus 0.01, Bybit at negative 0.005. 2 venues agree. 1 does not. That disagreement is not noise. When retail-skewed flow fades on Bybit before institutional momentum does, it often precedes a directional move that 2 venue tools simply cannot see. The third data point turns a binary agree or disagree into a confidence ranking with a named dissenter. Here's the core thesis. 3 venues beat 2 not because more data is always better, but because the right third venue carries structurally different information from the first 2. With 2 exchanges, your agent answers one question: do they agree? That binary is useful. When Hyperliquid and Binance both read bullish funding, your agent knows direction. What it cannot know is how confident to be. Any 2 of 2 agreement looks structurally identical regardless of how strongly each venue's funding spread, open interest, and order flow composition point the same way. Add a third venue and the question transforms: which one disagrees, and what does its microstructure tell us about why? Now your agent can form a confidence ranking. 3 of 3 agreement is a high-conviction composite signal, all venues aligned on direction and magnitude. 2 of 3 majority means the signal is present, but one venue's market structure diverges. Examine the dissenter and its funding delta. 1 of 3 or 0 of 3 means no actionable consensus. The composite verdict returns whole regardless of any single venue's reading. The majority field in AlgoVault's cross-venue response encodes this ranking directly. Each venue contributes a weighted vote derived from its normalized funding spread and open interest denominator. The composite verdict reports the majority direction, the dissenting venue, and the dissent magnitude in basis points. That is the architectural gap that single venue tools and 2 venue tools cannot close by adding more indicators on the same venue. Bybit earns its seat as the third venue because its funding behavior is structurally distinct from both Hyperliquid and Binance. Hyperliquid's LP structure attracts market, neutral, and arbitrage-capital. Binance draws the largest share of institutional flow globally. Bybit's perpetual markets skew toward retail momentum traders, the kind of participant who is often first to reverse. When Bybit's funding disagrees with the Hyperliquid and Binance consensus, the divergence carries genuine information about whether retail is capitulating into an institutional trend or rotating ahead of it. Bybit entered the cross-venue stack the same way Binance did, shadow mode first. Before Bybit's funding data could influence any production composite verdict, it ran in parallel with Hale and Binance outputs across a full shadow cohort. Shadow mode means production agents continue receiving verdicts weighted on only the validated venues. Bybit's weight is fixed at 0 until its correlation model confirms the additional signal is additive, not redundant. The track record is unchanged by Bybit's addition: 90.1% PFE win rate across 77,850 plus verified calls. Merkle, verified on base L2. Cross-venue extensions are validated against that baseline before a single basis point of weight shifts to the new venue. If Bybit degraded the composite, which happens when 2 venues become too correlated to contribute independent signal, it stays at 0 weight indefinitely. Coverage extends only when it sharpens accuracy. From an agent-developer perspective, onboarding Bybit costs nothing and code changes. The AlgoVault MCP tool surface is identical to what the Binance integration introduced. 1 plugin install, 1 JS on response, 3 venues of cross-venue intelligence informing every composite verdict. Bybit is a skill in the AlgoVault's Hills repository, not a fork, not a separate binary. 3 pitfalls agent developers should know. First, Bybit's funding settlement timing offset. Bybit settles approximately 10 minutes before Binance on every shared settlement boundary. AlgoVault's normalization layer rounds all venue timestamps to UTC-hour boundaries before waiting, so agents consuming GET trade signal are never exposed to this offset. If you build a custom pipeline that reads venue REST APIs directly and merges them with AlgoVault responses, align to UTC-hour boundaries yourself before comparison. Second, inverse perp versus UST, margin disambiguation. Bybit offers both UST, margin linear perpetuals, and coin, margined inverse perpetuals on the same underlying assets. The MCP defaults to UST, margin linear for cross-venue comparability. This matches Hyperliquid's and Binance's dominant contract type for BC and ETH. If your strategy requires inverse perp exposure, use the contract type override parameter to route the query to the correct Bybit instrument. Third, the venue's parameter is in shadow rollout. It is valid at the API layer, but Bybit's weight in the composite verdict begins at 0. The coverage field reads shadow rather than full during review, and the majority field reflects 2 venue validated logic only. Production composite verdicts remain on the fully validated Hale and Binance configuration, until Bybit's correlation model clears shadow review. On performance, in the shadow cohort 3, venue divergence, lagged signals showed improved confidence calibration compared to the 2, venue baseline. Signals where Bybit dissented from a hyperliquid and Binance consensus were more likely to flip direction within the subsequent 4-hour window. This validates the hypothesis that Bybit's retail-skewed funding divergence carries leading indicator content the 2-venue model cannot extract. This is post 4 in an 8 post phase 1 foundation arc. Post 6 covers OKX, post 8 covers BitGet. By post 9, the composite verdict will draw from 5 independently validated venues. The 3-venue confidence ranking architecture introduced here is what makes that extension structurally sound rather than additive noise. AlgoVault is the brain layer for AI trading agents. 1 API call returns direction, confidence, and regime. The 90.1% PFE track record is publicly auditable at algovault.com. Track record. Before you commit to anything, start free. 100 free calls per month. Hold never cost. Get connected in 30 seconds. The cross-venue quick start docs and the full Bybit integration tutorial are linked in the description below.